This tutorial shows you how to stop spam and unwanted senders from reaching your inbox on Windows. First, open your browser. Go to mail.yahoo.com and sign in. After that, open the email from the sender you want to block. From there, click the three dots at the top of the email. At this point, click Block Sender. In the next step, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Block to confirm. Following this, to check or manage block senders, click the Settings gear icon in the top right. Click More Settings. Once done, click Security and Privacy on the left. From here, scroll down to Blocked Addresses to view or remove any sender from your block list. Keep in mind, blocking a sender moves future emails from them straight to trash instead of your inbox, so you won't be notified when they email you again. Finally, click Save if you made any changes to your block list. And that's it. If this guide helped you block unwanted emails on Yahoo Mail, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.